welcome back to Wake Up Skokie. Well, as you can see, I'm over at the rap pad, but we're not going to be doing some rapping right now. What we're going to be doing is some self-defense, some karate, and we've got one of the best. His name is Innis Chang, and he is the owner and the teacher at the World of Self-Defense. So, Innis, what's wrong? You okay? Innis? Innis, are you okay? What's the matter?
I got beat up.
When?
In the parking lot.
No, just now?
In the parking lot.
What happened?
The boy hit me.
It was a boy?
A young man.
Why did he do it? Well, come on up. Are you okay? Is he? Come on.
He hit me in the throat.
Right in the throat?
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Oh, my goodness. Why didn't you self-defense? You know, use some self-defense.
He hit me in the head.
But you taught me one of those moves.
I know, but I wasn't ready.
But you said always be ready. Is one of the things. Can you do the show today?
I can't see out of this
that eye's the worst one.
He
sure.
hit me.
I know. It's okay. Do you want to come back maybe?
Yeah.
Do you think you could do the show? I don't.
I'm bleeding.
I know you are. Yeah.
I'm bleeding.
I know. You know, maybe you should come back, and we could. It's just a show. We can do it some other time.
Okay.
But I'm curious. Why didn't you defend yourself?
Because he hit me in the head.
Well, how long have you been teaching?
13 years.
You've never been beaten up?
No, I've never been in a fight.
Well,
His #1 rule is avoid fights.
Well, yeah, but still you have to
He
defend.
dislocated my scapula.
Oh, man, that's got to really hurt. Why don't you go? We have a nurse here at the... oh, you know what? There's that medical center. You know where it is? Should I write it? That's on Oakton.
West of Crawford.
Yeah.
I'm going to go.
Okay, why don't you go? I'm real sorry.
Have me back.
Did you get the guy's name or his license number? And
I cut him off, I think.
Oh, in your car?
Yeah, he's cursed.
Oh.
He cursed at me and then he hit me in the head.
Oh, man. Well, why don't you go? And yeah, thanks. Come back, though, will you?
I'm sorry.
Will you come back?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. It happened. Innis Chang, World of Self-Defense. Boy.